If you think that it is not important to get PDFs, okay, or it is not important to get IELTS recent reading passages, you can see yourself that in for 6th August 2026. So this passage number 3, Fluoridation Controversy, also repeated from this exam, 7th March. And this use reading passage number 3 also, it is also repeated passage, How the Mind Ages, from 24th Feb. It means these two readings are repeated from previous exams. So that's why I'm saying always get old exams reading passages. And you can do practice from IELTS Cambridge books also, because there also you will get actual IELTS exam passages. So first you do practice from Cambridge IELTS books, and then come to all IELTS recent reading test. You can get it. In this video, I will be solving this fluoridation controversy. So in my previous video, I have solved this full reading, How the Mind Ages, and last to last also I have solved this reading passage number 1. You can see this one, ensuring our food supply. This reading also I have covered in my videos. Now let's do this passage number 3. So let's check what kind of questions we have. So for this reading, the fluoridation controversy, we have been provided here multiple choice question, and then we have yes, no, not given questions, and the most trending questions. See this, complete each sentence with the correct ending. So list of endings is this, and these are the incomplete sentences. So this is the most trending questions coming in reading passage 2 also and passage 3 also. Somewhere you will get list of people, somewhere you will get list of endings, somewhere you will get list of events kind of thing. So but these questions are coming again and again in almost two passages. You will get these kinds of questions. So some students, if you just find it difficult, please watch my previous video. I have covered these kinds of questions frequently. Okay, I will be solving in this video only multiple choice question. Okay, so one by one we will be doing in different videos. So multiple choice question, I will explain it in detail. Those who are new, it is important to read the instructions for every type of question. So you will get to know the instructions. Whenever you will be read the instructions for typical kind of question, definitely you will come to know, yes, this is multiple choice question. In actual exam, you will not get written like that multiple choice question. No, you have to find out what kind of question is this, or by looking at the style of this question statement. Here question statement is given 27 number and 4 options are given. It means this is multiple choice question. Okay, so let's do this multiple choice question. Before starting this 27 number question, make sure you do practice with me. On the left side I am showing you the reading text. Okay, on the right side I am showing you the question statements. So do practice with me, that's more important. I will keep sharing IELTS reading tips and tricks while solving this reading. So I can't say that I will within 1 or 2 minutes I can share reading tips and tricks. So tips and tricks means you will develop your own strategy while solving, while doing practice for these reading passages. With your own experience, you will get your own tips and tricks. Okay, that's the main important thing. So let's start 27 number question. So how to do multiple choice questions? As I told you, read the instructions, whether you have to select one option or two or three. So here it is given one option. So first we will read the question statement, and then we will go to the location in the paragraph, then come back to match the headings. First, we will not read any heading. If you read the headings, you will get confused. This is first type of question. Of course, we will try to find the location of question number 27 from the first paragraph only. Okay. The optimum means maximum amount of fluorine in fluoridated water is calculated partly according to. So the fluoridation controversy is the title of the reading passage. The optimum amount of fluorine in fluoridated water is calculated partly according to. Some calculation is given about fluorine in fluoridated water. Okay. So first paragraph is this. Please do practice with me. That's more important than subscription, hype, and like my video. Okay. The long-standing debate about whether to fluoridate our drinking water continues. Fluoridation is the addition of fluorine. So we were looking for fluorine and fluoridated water to public water supplies with the aim of reducing tooth decay. The fluorine when mixed with water. Now I think we have reached to the location. The fluorine, when mixed with water, becomes fluoride, and desired concentration of fluoride in public water is approximately 1 part per million. It means calculation is doing on depending on the regional temperature, and hence the amount of water people are likely to drink. Okay. So till here we can read it again. The optimum amount of fluorine in fluoridated water is calculated partly according to, okay, fluorine when mixed with water becomes fluoride, and desired concentration of fluoride in public water is approximately 1 part per million. Okay, so this is calculation depending on the regional temperature, and hence the amount of water people are likely to drink. Okay, let's read how hot the area is. Hot temperature kind of thing is there, and area is also there. How hot depending on the regional temperature, how hot the area is. I think this is perfectly matching, but let's uh, depending na, that's why according to means indirectly writer is talking about depending reasons, depending on the regional temperature. So how warm the water is. So warm water is warm, nothing is like that. How many dental problems there are in the community? No, only depend on the regional temperature, and hence the amount of water people are likely to drink. Okay, amount of water. So this is not given like that. How much fluorine the community chooses to have in its water. So community can't choose it to have in its water. When mixed with water becomes fluoride, and the desired concentration of fluoride in public water is approximately 1 part per million. So we will go with A number. How much fluorine the community chooses to have. So nothing is given about whether how public can choose it. No. So let's do 28 number question. One reason given by the writer for opposing fluoridation is that. One reason given by the writer for opposing. So oppose the fluoridation is that. Okay. So we need to get opposition, criticism about fluoridation. Children drink fluoridated water, their average rate of reduced. A typical figure claimed is 50% reduction. This apparently enormous benefit for children's teeth is the major argument in favor of fluoridation. So opposition word I can see over here. So let me shift the page for full paragraph second. So look at this word opposition. We are looking for opposing fluoridation. One reason, we need to find the reason given by writer for opposing fluoridation. Three main grounds for opposition to fluoridation have been expressed. First, opponents claim that benefits are exaggerated or not established. Okay. So first is here, second is here. Claims of health risk to pans of the population, for example, allergic reactions. Okay. It is also accepted that high levels of fluoride can cause discoloration of otherwise healthy teeth. Okay, two reasons. Proponents do not consider this to be a problem in such small concentrations, whereas opponents disagree, especially because some people drink more water and obtain much more than 1 standard milligram of fluoride per day. Third, is fluoridation is thought to be an infringement on individual rights because it is compulsory medication of all members of the community. Okay, three reasons writer has given. First, that the benefits are exaggerated, and second is claims of health risk to allergic reactions are looking, and third one is writer is talking about is brought to be an infringement on individual rights because it is compulsory medication, because it is compulsory through government and all. So let's read the options. It may contribute to Tooth decay. Because okay, not clearly given, because above writer was talking about it has benefited for children's teeth, but here reasons exaggerated and health allergic reaction. It will unacceptably expensive kind of thing not explained here in this paragraph. Third, obligatory fluoridation takes away personal freedom, so it is individual rights. So fluoridation is thought so compulsory is obligatory. Fluoridation takes away personal freedom. So where is personal freedom given? So synonym is given, infringement on individual's right, means individual's freedom writer is talking. So C number will come. Okay, 29. The writer mentions Kuhan in order. So let's find this Kuhan word person name in order to Kuhan. So Kuhan, only focus on your keyword, then only you can get location of the questions. Okay, so let me shift the page. Kuhan word, I have found it here in next to next paragraph. So the writer mentions Kuhan in order to. Okay, Kuhan here also. Kuhan argued that scientific knowledge does not always develop as an orderly process, but it's characterized by periodic revolutions in which methods of study and assessment criteria change in a fragmented way. According to Kuhan, the shift from one scientific way of thinking to another is not made solely on the basis of clear rules of formal scientific practice, but can include social factors. Okay, and Kuhn has never developed a full analysis of what these might have. So means Kuhn is saying not only on the basis of formal scientific practice, but can include some social factors also. So that's why Kuhn has never developed a full analysis of what might be. Okay, so what is the writer? Writer mentions Kuhn in order to provide a contrast with the view of Collins. No, there is no contrast. Like Colin word is here in the same paragraph, but something is different. Kuhan is saying. I don't know about Collins what he is saying, but Kuhan is saying something. Support the proponents of rational nature of scientific inquiry. No, but Kuhn is saying shift from one scientific way of thinking to another is not made solely on scientific practice, but can include social factors. Means two things writer is saying. Let's demonstrate that Kuhn did not argue his case adequately. Did not demonstrate that Kuhn has never developed a full analysis of what might be. This can be an option. Show that science can be influenced by non-scientific considerations. So it is clearly given here. See this? Not here it is given, these lines. Or not made solely on the basis of clear rules of formal scientific practice, but also include social factors. So non-scientific considerations mean social factors. So this D1 we can select. Okay. Now coming to 30 number question. Now let's read 30 number question. We have here two questions left. 30 number questions. Let's read it. Where is my pen? What did Sutton's research discover about earlier studies in North America? So Sutton word and North America. So here Colin writer is talking about. Let's find about Sutton. Let's shift the page. This paragraph is done. I am looking for Sutton and North America. Sutton is here. Okay. And North American word is here. So let's read it from here. So North America is here, Sutton is here. So I will read it from here. An example is the study by Sutton in 1960, which so what did Sutton's research discover about earlier studies in North America? Which so from here we can read it. An example is the study by Sutton in 1960, which analyzed the classic North American studies of the effect of fluoridation on tooth decay and found that each showed significant methodological shortcomings. Sutton's detailed study throws doubt as to extent of reductions in tooth decay. Means some shortcomings are there in these significant principles and all. About effect of fluoridation means he has doubt on the reduction in tooth decay. Okay, so what is this? Just a minute. So 30th, we were reading, there were failings in the way they were carried out. Shortcomings, it is given na? That each shows significant this shortcomings. There were failings in the way they were carried out. So this I can select it, but let's read B, C, and D. The scientists involved had achieved unique results. The scientists involved had achieved unique result. No, there is no unique result explained like that. Fluoridation had not understood its long-term effects. No long-term effects also I have not come across. Fluoridation had a greater effect on tooth decay than previously believed. No, no. But in fact, he has a doubt. He had a doubt. So this also not. So let's do 31 number question. Now writer is saying in the last paragraph. Let's move to last paragraph. So this is the last paragraph from here to here. Okay. In the last paragraph, what does the writer say about scientists? Okay, from the sociological point of view, opposition to fluoridation is not necessarily irrational. Rather, claims to rationality and to scientific authority are better seen as part of a strategy to promote fluoridation than as incontrovertible statements of facts. Second, social values are likely to be bound up in any decision about fluoridation. So this is not an issue on which declarations by scientific experts ought to be considered the final word. Okay. I think writer is saying that uh, scientists should not, like here second, social values are likely to bound up, like in that's above paragraph it was given like that, not only scientific measures or methods but also some social values, social bounds or something kind of given. So both things will decide the result of any principle, any experiment. So this is not an issue which declarations by scientific experts ought to be considered the final word, means they should not they should not come like that, that they are supreme. So they should reveal their true motivations. True motivations not explained like that. They should not decide the fluoridation policy. They should not decide. The okay declaration by ought to be considered the final word. It is not an okay. Let's read C and D. They are solely concerned with the scientific truths. So this is also not explained like that. They cannot reach agreement to the on the fluoridation issue. Agreement kind of thing is not given actually. So we can select B number. They should not decide the fluoridation policy. I agree that policy word is not there, but it is clearly given. Social values are likely to be bound up in any decision about fluoridation. So this is not an issue on which declaration by scientists ought to be considered the final word. So this they should not decide the fluoridation policy. So we will select B number.